Yo, what it do? It's your boy Honcho back again with another unboxing video. And this time, I've got a brand new sponsor for you guys. That's right, a new sponsor and a new light. Let's get right into it. Shout out to the new sponsor. So anxious for you guys to see who it is. Let's get it. All right, as you can see here, we got that Spiderfarmer SF-1000. Shout out to Spiderfarmer, my new sponsor, my Spiderfarmer. Shout out to them. Major shout out to Spiderfarmer, man. We got that mean wheel driver. That's high quality stuff right there. Everybody know what Mean Wheel is. If you know anything about lights or drivers or electronics, Mean Wheel are a major and reliable brand. Oh yeah, so it's daisy chainable. The dimmer, on and off switch, the whole heat sink board. Let's take a good look at this light here. Oh yeah. Shout out to Spiderfarmer. You guys see it. Let's get this baby hooked up. We're gonna get this baby a 5 test. You know how I do it. It's your boy Honcho. I'll be right back. So I got it plugged up. Let's get over here and take a good look at this. You can tell those are the Samsung LM301B chips. It's coated. You can feel that it's coated, which means it's water resistance. Very nice heat sink here. Very, very nice. We've got the settings here at its minimum. We got it at the minimum on the dimmer, and it's off. And we're gonna switch this baby on. We're gonna give it a run. See how that works. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really nice. Multiple spectrums. You can see that deep reds, infrared. Everything you need. That's really, really nice. Shout out to Spiderfarmer. Shout out to Spiderfarmer. Let's crank this baby up a little bit. Crank it up. That's not even 50%. That's really bright. It's not even 50%. We're gonna take it 50. Oh, right, yeah, that's really bright. That's at 50, it's really bright. Take it up to 100. Wow. I'm not gonna blind myself. I'm looking at this through the camera. That's really, really bright. Super bright, super bright. Shout out to Spiderfarmer once again. New sponsor, Spiderfarmer. That's Spiderfarmer SF-1000. Looking absolutely magnificent. It's your boy Honcho. It's another one. Major shout out to Spiderfarmer. This light is super awesome. Can't wait to get it hung up and using it in the garden. Major shout out to the new sponsor. I'm gonna drop the link to this light in the description below. You guys make sure to go check out Spiderfarmer. And I'm gonna tag the Instagram as well. Till next time, peace.